Hello everyone. My presentation is going to be super brief. I'll just present to you the booklet that we did. We actually started this project over a year ago with some research to find out what does already exist in the field of who does what kind of work in order to teach children how they can protect their privacy. So we had a bit of a look around, checked out what other organizations already did, and then tried to fill a gap. So we found out that most of the organizations mostly target the parents, either parents, so they try to tell them how to control their children's communications better, or they try to tell kids, don't talk to any strangers on the internet, right? So we wanted to do something different, and this is why we've done together with many of our member organizations this short comic booklet. So our main motivation was really to empower kids, to give them some tools in order to understand how their data is collected online, and also some really hands-on guidance on, for example, installing the Signal private messenger, so to give them really alternatives to the big data collection apps that are out there. So the booklet was published in October 2016, and it was immediately super popular. Within only 6 weeks, it was downloaded over 2,200 times. And then we had the total download of 25K now. So this is really good. And that's for the English version only. EDRi members involved in writing this thing. We had 5 of our organizations participating and writing the different chapters. We already have in the works translations into 15 languages. Some are finalized, some are still ongoing and need to be put in layout and fun stuff like that. And we have also a great number of members and observers working on the translations. I think, more than 8 right now. So our mission is really to help kids make safer and more informed choices about what they share and how they share their information online. And we do that through a couple of chapters, like what the internet actually is, what privacy is, and as I said, some really hands-on advice on how to improve the security of smartphones, stuff like that. So the booklet is called Digital Defenders because a team of good guys, the digital defenders, are fighting against bad guys, the data intruders. And this whole booklet takes place in some sort of parallel universe. So the comics were done by a comic book artist, Gregor Sedlak. He did some awesome work there. And the EDRi members involved in actually writing and producing the content were Bits of Freedom, Open Rights Group, the Chaos Computer Club with the Chaos macht Schule project, Digitale Gesellschaft, Abdi Romania, Media Democracy, and many more. So as I said, we already have a couple of translations ready. It's out in Serbian already. It has been translated and also printed in German. It's published in Greek, Italian, and Turkish. I think they also printed it in Turkey and distributed it, so that's great. And very soon we are going to publish the Spanish and French versions. But as I said, many, many more languages are underway. So there's still a lot of work to do. And we were able to distribute it in the member states thanks to many volunteers who helped us, but we can always use more, of course. So if your language is not there yet, then you can come to us and help us with the translations. You can also donate to EDRi members in the member states so that they can then print the booklet and distribute it to schools. So yeah, that's really it. So I have a couple of this is the German one, this is the English one. The English one has a very nice poster also to take out and put up in your apartment. So yeah, grab it.